My name's Robert Beeleigh, and I make models of steam engines. So recently I've now been making models that are actually from the 1830s because I like beam engines. So I've been searching out these original engines from the 1830s, 1840s period because they're all completely different. And so I started off with the Bridewell Museum model, which was just up the road. I've been looking at it for the last 50 years thinking, that's a really nice steam engine, I'd love to make that. So I then made the Headley one, which is in the Museum of Technology in Cambridge. And then I discovered the Beeleigh mill engine, and I was making a list of Wolf compound engines and other engines, and I found this book by George Watkins, and it had some views of the Beeleigh mill engine in it, and I thought that looks quite challenging. It looks quite an interesting model to make, and so I got in contact with the people, the restoration people down there, and then they said, yeah, come on down, you can measure it up and you can take photographs and then you can make us a model. So you need to take a few measurements now of the steam chest and the valve. So this is the high pressure cylinder and this is the low pressure cylinder, and the steam goes into the high pressure cylinder first and then transfers to the lower pressure cylinders because it's still got energy in it. So this is the valve, which nicely comes out, and so this moves up and down, and you have the ports which allow the steam, because it's a double acting engine, you need to first put the steam in the top of the cylinder in so it pushes the piston down, and then when it's down you need to transfer the steam to push it back up. And so this is done with this, which goes up and down and opens and closes the ports. And also when the piston comes back up again, it pushes the steam through an exhaust porting system through here and into the larger low pressure cylinder there. And so this is looking quite good actually. And so this is the current project, and as you can see it's not actually finished, but there is quite a lot there already. Yes, so all the motion work still needs to be done. However, the flywheel and the standers and the sweep rod. So anyway, so the Beeleigh mill engine is now under construction. I made lots and lots of drawings of it. I've taken nearly 900 photographs of it. I've now been doing all the drawings and making all the parts individually. And so we're now actually getting near the end of the model. Okay, we now have steam. So we can switch on the steam. So what it's doing is, first of all, it's heating up the cylinders because there's a steam valve. So the steam's coming through, it's heating up the cylinders. So we turn that on, we open that, and we now give it a spin. So we need a bit more steam coming out. It doesn't seem to be going very fast, however, that's probably about the speed that it would normally... Oh, there we are. So it's probably about the speed it would actually go at, in fact. It's also running it in, perhaps, because this is only the second time it's been working. But this is just showing that it is actually working, and so that, yeah, you can see it here, because there's still lots more work to do on it. But yeah, so that's it.
Brilliant. Fantastic.